How to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to disable ad blockers on Google Chrome. First of all, to do so, open Google Chrome on your device. Click three dots at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, scroll down and click Settings. Once the Settings menu page appears, click Privacy and Security at the left panel of Settings. Scroll down, select Site Settings at the bottom of the screen. Scroll a bit down, choose Pop-ups and Redirects. Under Default Behavior, choose Site Scan Sync Pop-ups and Use Redirects. Once done, click on this arrow at top left corner of the screen and click Additional Content Settings. Scroll, click Intrusive Ads again and choose the first option under default behavior that says any site that you visit can show any ad to you. Once you are done with that, if you have installed any kind of extensions, ad blockers, click on three dots again at top right corner, click extensions and manage extensions. If you see any of these, click on the remove for permanent removal. If you just want a temporary offloading of that kind of extensions, then you can simply click on this kind of button and toggle it off. So that is how we can easily disable ad blockers on Google Chrome. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.